Thank you for calling MCL Hotel. This is Luis speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, Luis. I'd like to book a couple of rooms for a family vacation.
All right, of course, I'd be happy to help with that. And may I know the dates of your stay?
We will be arriving on December 13 and we'll check out on December 14.
Got it. And may I know how many guests will be staying? And may I get your complete name, sir?
There will be four guests, three adults, and one infant, and my name is Lloyd Ruth.
All right, thank you. And for your group, may I suggest two connecting deluxe rooms or do you want higher?
Yes, that sounds good. And we'd like the rooms to have a city view, please.
All right, noted. And would you prefer non-smoking rooms?
Yes, a non-smoking one. And also, we'll need the breakfast if it's included, and if possible, a late checkout at 1 p.m.
All right, certainly. And for your infant, would you like us to provide a crib or no?
Yes, that would be helpful. Thank you.
All right, perfect. Finalize the booking. May I ask your payment details, sir?
Okay, I'll be using my American Express card, and the number is 378-8224-6310-005. And it will expire on May 2026.
All right, thank you, Mr. Ruz. Your reservation number is now confirmed. Do you have a pen with you and paper?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. I'll say now to you the confirmation number. Your confirmation number is 072025 LUIS. Is that clear, Mr. Ruz?
Yes, that's correct.
All right. We look forward to welcoming your family. Have a great day, Mr. Ruz.
Thank you.
Thank you for calling MCL Hotel. This is Luis speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, Luis. It's me again, Lloyd. I'd like to reserve a room for my manager, and he'll be attending a conference there.
All right, Mr. Ruz. Certainly may I have the arrival date.
He'll be arriving on December 15, and we'll be staying for 3 nights.
All right, understood. And how many guests, sir?
Just one adult.
All right, and what room type would you prefer?
A deluxe room or a higher would be ideal, and I would like the room to be non-smoking, please.
All right, noted. Will he be arriving late?
Yes, he'll arrive around 4 p.m.
All right, thank you. Is this booking under any corporate account or no?
Yes, it is under Mapua University and is also a VIP loyalty card holder.
All right, great. Great to know that. We'll make sure a fruit basket is placed in the room for as a VIP amenity. Will this reservation be guaranteed under your corporate account?
Yes, that's right.
All right, perfect. Your reservation is confirmed. Do you have a pen and paper with you, sir?
Yes.
All right, your confirmation number is 072025 LUIS. We'll take care of the rest, Mr. Ruz.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, anytime. Have a great day ahead. Good afternoon. You've reached MCL Hotel. This is Luis and how may I help you?
Hi, Luis. I'm a travel agent and I'd like to book a room for my client's parents. It's for their anniversary.
All right, wonderful. May I get a check-in date, sir?
They'll check in on December 14 and we'll be staying for 2 nights.
All right, and how many guests?
Mm, just two adults.
All right, would you like a deluxe room, sir, or a higher suite for them?
Yes, I'd like and make it a non-smoking room, please.
All right, certainly. Would they like an all-inclusive package?
Yes, they would. And could you also include a bottle of champagne upon their arrival?
Absolutely. And how will they be paying, sir?
They'll be paying in cash, so I understand a deposit is required for the first night, right?
That's correct, sir. We require 100% deposit of the first night stay at least 3 days before check-in. Do you have a pen and paper with you, sir? Because we will say the account name and
Definitely,
the account number.
definitely. Yes, I do.
All right. The account name is in RCBC MCL High Hotel, and the account number is 012-5437-690. Is that clear, sir?
Yes.
All right. Once paid, please send the proof to our email, which we will provide to you.
Yes, okay, I got it. And please go ahead and place the reservation under my name.
All right. Done, sir. You have your confirmation number. Do you have a pen and paper with you, sir?
Yes, yes, I do.
All right. Your confirmation number is 072025LUIS.
Perfect. Thanks.
All right. You're welcome. We'll make the anniversary extra special and have a good day, sir.